Is gout a metabolic wake-up call? Why do gout flare-ups keeps coming back, and even when you're on medication? What if gout isn't just a joint problem, but a deeper metabolic warning? Hi, I'm Dr. Don Kim. Today, I want to show you what gout really is, why it progresses, and how holistic gout treatments can help you heal for good. Gout is caused by excess uric acid forming crystals inside the joints, most commonly the big toe or ankle. But here's the truth most people never hear. Gout doesn't start in the joint. It starts inside your metabolism, detox system, and immune response. Most foot specialists treat gout with orthotics, cortisone injections, and oral medications. These treatments are important, especially during severe flare-ups, but they don't answer the most important question. Why is uric acid building up in your body? When the root cause isn't addressed, flare-ups become more frequent, more painful, and longer lasting. Eventually, joint damage can become permanent. This is where holistic gout treatments change the game. As shown in the educational videos, gout is often driven by poor detoxification, inflammatory diets, chronic stress, poor sleep, low oxygen, and nutrient deficiencies. That's why we created the 9 Secrets membership program. This program focuses on restoring balance, starting with a powerful detox to cleanse the liver, gut, and kidneys. We then support healing with anti-inflammatory nutrition and food freedom, stress and sleep optimization, and advanced therapies like hyperbaric oxygen therapy and IV nutrient therapy. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy improves cellular oxygen, boosts energy, and supports the immune system, and improves sleep. 3 things gout patients often struggle with. IV nutrient therapy restores essential vitamins and minerals that are commonly deficient in gout, helping improve energy, metabolism, and detoxification. If you're tired of managing gout flare-ups, instead of resolving them, this may be your next step. Stop chasing symptoms, start restoring balance. Click below to learn how the 9 Secrets membership program can help you take control of gout naturally.